To add an outer glow effect, we'll come to the Layers palette here, down to the Effects icon, and choose Outer Glow. Outer Glow is checked in the dialog box, and let's go through and see what this can do. First of all, you have all the different blending modes that you can use on this effect, just like layer blending modes. This is the opacity. Let me spread this out a little bit with the size and everything so you can see. All right, so there's the opacity. You can add noise. You can change its color. Let's do yellowish orange. You can also add various gradients if you'd rather do a gradient. You can have it more precise or softer edged. The spread is how far out does the spread go, and the size is how far out does it slowly disappear. So you can kind of see the difference there happening. You have various curves that you can add. Anti-alias means that it is a little softer. You can play with the actual curve itself. You can change its range and its jitter. And again, you can make whatever settings you use up here, the default by clicking here, or you can reset to Photoshop's defaults right here. You also can create a new style from this particular setting that you've set up in the Layer Style dialog right from here.